Hi, I'm Adya. I'm Rita. I am Iya. I'm Rishabh. I'm Shambhavi. And we are here to share a secret with you. Do you know the food you eat has poison? Do you know that food is not made by nature anymore, but in science labs? Do you know when we grow food with chemicals, it is like giving an injection of antibiotics. The food will grow real fast, but it is not good for our health. Do you know when we eat such food, we become really ill, and mommy and daddy will have to spend lots of money to treat us? Just like a mother with a baby can't have medicines which have chemicals in it because it is bad for the baby's health. It is the same with us. We can't have fruits and vegetables which with chemicals because it is bad for our health. So what can we do?
Don't spray us, dear farmer, dear farmer, dear farmer. Don't spray us, dear farmer, please don't. Pray tell me the reason, dear crops. Pray tell me the reason, dear crops. Pray tell. Your pesticides harm us, dear farmer, dear farmer. Your pesticides harm us, they do. The humans will eat us, dear farmer, dear farmer. The humans will eat and fall sick.
Then how can I help them? What can I do?
Well, grow us organic, dear farmer, dear farmer. Well, grow us organic today. Please, Mr. Ministers, listen to our friend. Give us a world that is healthy and fair. Free from pollution, pesticides and such. Help us give our lives an evergreen touch. Help us give our lives an evergreen touch. Help us give our lives an evergreen touch.
Here is what you can do. Grow your own organic vegetables. Eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. For non-seasonal fruits and vegetables will lead to more chances of chemicals to grow them. Ask your local vegetable and fruit vendor to stock organic food and mark them for easy identification. Buy homes in societies which have been landscaped to grow organic fruits and vegetables, which can be consumed by the members of the society. Sign the petition in the link below to the Prime Minister asking him to empower people to grow organic fruits and vegetables in their homes. Make it compulsory to learn to grow food as part of our curriculum in schools. Make it a law that all builders and architects use a place of their landscaped area as well as terrace areas for growing organic fruits and vegetables. It must be made a law for all public and private places such as schools, offices, and malls. Growing food as important as eating food. Thank you for being the change you wish to see. Remember to sign the petition in the link below. And remember to get your pots of yummy organic fruits and vegetables.